I'd like to say that implementation of the GDPR is a challenging and lengthy task, both for companies and DPAs. We think that when it comes to the implementation of the GDPR, it would be better to have European guidance instead of national guidance. And this should be the general rule. We know that on some aspects, national particularities are important, but those cases should remain the exception in our view. And I'll give you the state of play regarding the implementation both at national and European level. At national level, there are several questions that need to be answered you see that we first have to deal with the mandatory and optional implementation measures that are left to the member states, and this is more or less a political question. We, as a DPA, will, of course, be consulted by the Belgian government, but the decision power remains at the government level, so we do not have any insight on that point of view, so they will choose what they want to implement or not. We also have to review our current data protection law, because even if it's a regulation, in Belgium, our privacy law has a broader scope than the one of the GDPR. So we have to make a check and an analysis to see whether we can keep some part of our existing law or we have to scrap everything and rewrite a new law for the part that are not concerned by the GDPR. We are still thinking about how we will manage that. We do not have any decision taken for now. And as I already told you, we do not write laws as DPA. So again, here, there is a power for the government to write those laws, and we will, of course, be consulted, and we could give our opinion on that law. Nevertheless, our preparatory work has begun within the Privacy Commission in Belgium. Practically speaking, we have created within our DPA some working groups in order to get a better view of what will have to be done and how. And we are also busy with internal trainings, because it's a new law and our staff also have to know it very good. So we have to train them. And we are also busy with some external trainings that we give for companies. We are busy also with our websites. We try to create well-targeted information for processor, controller, and data subject in order to give better information and up-to-date information. So it's not yet in place, but soon you will find it on our website.